Assalamu alaikum, all friends. We are staying at the moment in a place about 130 kilometer away from Frankfurt. This is Schwalmstadt, and we will like to introduce you one person who is leading a church. We call them in German Pfarrer, or in English maybe priest. I have some questions for him and for the people who will see the video, just for information, or to make your information perfect about these 2-3 points. So we will like to ask him now. Okay.
Sie fragen mich, ob ich
Just
mal was
yes,
antworten.
just
Versuch's,
just
ja,
just
try.
a bit introduction first. What are you doing, and what is your main how you say, when you lead a church, what is your main responsibility there?
Yes. My profession is a Protestant pastor.
Yes, pastor.
Here in a parish in Hessen.
Yes.
We have about 2,700 people who belong to our parish.
Yes.
And my main responsibility is to tell the people of the love of God
Yes.
and Jesus.
Yes.
And I hold services normally on Sunday morning
Yes.
here in our church.
Yes.
And of course the other purpose like baptism and marriage and confirmation. By the way, the confirmation is founded here in our town.
Okay.
In 1539.
Okay.
And of course also I don't remember the expression now in English. Eine Beerdigung.
So when you go to the
funeral,
graveyard, funeral, yes, you have to you lead.
When someone has died, we accompany the family and,
Yes.
and we do a service.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah,
very good.
that's what
I want to know this profession as a priest. How many years you have to study, and then you get a diploma that you are a priest. Now you can work in a church.
it's different. In the meantime, it's the study is shorter.
Yes.
When I studied, I worked beside, and it took a little bit longer.
Yes.
But it was good to get some.
You can say in German. I will.
German, die Erfahrung.
Erfahrung, experience.
Experience
Yes.
how life is.
Yeah.
How the people are, and so I had to do 10 years.
Oh.
But in the meantime, you can also be ready after 6 or 7 years of study,
yes.
and then comes the first examination, and after that 2 years of practice.
Okay.
And then the second examination.
Okay.
And then you become a pastor and get a parish.
Oh, very good. But there is a difference. You see your profession just like other people see their profession to earn the money, or you see to earn the money for living. For
the
living.
money, okay.
But
yes.
are you see your profession, you love this profession
Yes.
from your soul, from your heart, and you are not just seeing your profession as a money earning profession.
Not only money earning. So it's more behind it to share
Yes.
the love of God with other
Sure.
people.
So you are doing it as a passion, with your
Yes,
passion, full passion. Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
good. And
And
what
we
is
also have other tasks to do to teach young people who are or get the confirmation after that, and many groups of the parish. There is also we do a lot for poorer people.
Pure people.
And
Yeah.
so the whole week is quite filled.
I think you will surely see afterwards about the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat in Germany. We are doing as well in Africa. A lot of helping in Africa by making new schools and making new homes and helping the people who are very poor there. And we are also helping other countries where it is required. Maybe you will see, because this is that same direction what you told me about your work. What is your opinion? Why the people are going out of church? I mean, why are they leaving religion? In Germany, I have heard a lot of young people, they don't want to be a part of church. Or why? What is the reason behind?
So the tradition has become less.
Yes.
When I was young, it was normal that my parents go to church, and,
Yes.
and I'm a Christian. And
Yes.
Today, ich weiß, das Wort selbstverständlich heißt.
Automatic. It is.
Today it's not automatically anymore. Each one can decide if he wants to believe, but today the church or some members of the church also do mistakes.
Yeah,
and that's why
the reason.
Why they lose the
that confidence, trust.
Yeah,
They lose their trust.
in the
So
church,
do
in
you
the
mean
institution.
this last years what we heard about the scandals about church? You are from Catholic,
No,
or you are
Protestant.
From, you are Protestant. Who are in majority in Germany, Catholic or?
No, it's almost
50-50?
the same. Yeah, 50-50. Yeah.
And this
Little more.
Pope in Italian, he is
Yes.
from Catholic.
Yes, right.
He's, and you have also
No, we have a bishop.
bishop.
Hmm?
One bishop for the whole world, also who's leading?
No, one bishop for each church, for each
For
region.
each. So you have no like pope.
No.
Also,
No.
every church has his pope, bishop,
Yes.
and that's all.
Our
There
bishop
is no.
is in Kassel.
Yes.
It's a woman.
Yeah.
The new bishop.
Okay.
And for Frankfurt, for example, there's the bishop in Darmstadt.
Okay, and that's the highest position in your religion.
In each local church, right?
And you are under this bishop?
Yes.
Yeah. How many years it takes that you can apply or you can be a bishop?
I could become, but I don't want to.
Okay.
Because I love it to be in a parish and to have the contact with the people and,
Yes.
and to be there for the people.
My last question: the Taufen we say, how we say that in English, baptism. What is the reason? What is the theory behind that? What it make difference?
Jesus told us that we should baptize the
Yes,
people,
yes.
so they belong to Him,
Yes.
and they know they are children of God,
Yeah.
and belong to the parish.
Okay.
And
Okay.
The parents who bring their children to the baptism
Yes.
believe that also they are secure under the wings of God.
Oh, okay, okay. And you believe in that Jesus gave his life and he cleared all the sins from all Christian people. And if some Christians yet now do something wrong, but Jesus has already given his own life for Christian, and they will be clear of every sin when they will in the last day judgment, also day of judgment. Jesus gave his life for all the Christian, and if they do something wrong, or they are making some sins here in the world, there will, when on the day of judgment, they will be clear of everything, because Jesus gave the life for them. You believe in
He has
that?
promised that our sins will be forgiven
Yes.
when we believe in Him.
when we believe in him. But believe means with their active belief, or just by saying that we believe Jesus gave his life for us, and but we do everything wrong in like today. You go to disco, you have a partner without giving a word, yes word, without marriage. You are living with the partners and having children, and there is no official marriage. In our religion, Islam, it's completely forbidden. It is very big sin if you go to a partner, to a wife, and you have no marriage. You have no two people who can say, okay, they got marriage in front of us, like you say, they should say we have seen. That case is okay. But if someone is living with a woman or a man and without marriage, that's a very big sin in Islam. But in your religion, it is very normal that people are going to church, in disco, drinking alcohol and having children without having marriage. And you believe that they all will, these sins are already cleared from Jesus because he gave the life for them.
I think the main thing is the trust.
Yes.
Also between each other.
Yes.
I can love and trust
Yes.
A woman without being married. And
Okay.
we also can have children, and they can be blessed from God also without being married. So this convention, if you
So you mean
isn't this necessary anymore.
you believe that it is not necessary anymore.
I think it's good to say we love each other, we trust each other, we want to spend our life together.
That's enough.
And so we get married.
Okay. Official marriage is when you go to some church, you give some yes word, and you are official married.
Yes.
But
That's
problem,
in front of God,
yes,
that you can get married when you go to the town, to the mayors.
yes. But my question was that when some man loves another woman, he says, okay, we both accept each other from our soul, from our heart. Okay, now we can go together. We can start our relationship and we can have children. God will not punish us because Jesus has already given the life for us for our sin. So you don't see this as a sin if someone going to make children from another woman without official marriage in church or city council. He says, okay, we both are loving each other, so we can have children. In this concept I was asking, what do you think in that case?
For me, it's more important that I trust my wife, and we belong together, and I don't look for other women.
Okay.
That's the important thing.
Okay. That means if you love some women and she loves you, and you are not going to other women, that means you can have this children from these women without official marriage, going city council, going in church, that you have a marriage ceremony where the people from both sides were present there, and you show the whole culture. This is my wife. If we are getting children, they are our children. Because in Islam religion, it is told like that. If you want to marry a woman, okay, you do that in front of some relatives or some three people who can sign there that these men has accepted this woman as a wife. It is called nikah. And then some person in front of a lot, he will announce this man is going to marry this woman. Then it is official. If you don't do that and you go with the women just to make children and doing everything what a man can do after marriage, it's a very big sin it is very, it is strafbar. It is you will be punished on the day of judgment. But in your religion, it is not the case.
It's not that sin, or so you can't get punished.
Yeah.
Something. For me, it's important.
Yeah.
Because so we are married and we have children.
Yeah.
And that's normal for us.
Okay.
But as a priest, as a pastor,
Yes.
I can't say
Yeah.
to the people, God doesn't love you because you won't marry.
Yeah.
for example.
Yeah. And I understand. Because this has been changed now. When we go 50 years back,
Yes.
it was not allowed in your culture as well.
Yeah, yes,
A
right.
woman cannot go with a man without permission from their parents and without a marriage, official marriage. But now it is changed. I think with the passage of time, when the religion is separated from the politic, so they have changed now these things. Okay, have a nice time. I think I take a long time from you. Very nice to talk
Yeah.
to you.
Come
Okay,
on. Yeah.
okay.
Thank
We
you.
will inshallah stay in contact, and when there is some program, I will inform you if you like to. Okay. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.
God bless.